Hi, and welcome to a new year and a new astronomy night sky for January 2023. We have a lot to look forward to. We have meteor showers, we have a comet, we have full moons, we have Mercury at its greatest western elongation. We'll see them all. On the 2nd of January, if you happen to be looking in the northeast, you'll see the Quantrids. Yes, this meteor shower is a really above average meteor shower that boasts of 40 meteors per hour at its peak. It comes from an old comet called 2003 EH1, which was discovered back in 2003. It should be a spectacular show. It runs annually from January 1st through the 5th. The peak should be around the 3rd, usually. Unfortunately, this year the nearly full moon may block out most of the fainter meteors. So you probably want to look at this on the 2nd of January before the full moon comes up and watch this. I think best viewing for this baby will be after midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning, between 2 and 3 o'clock in the morning, I think are the best times to view these type of meteors, and that's looking to the northeast. If you're not sure where the northeast is, look for Arcturus, which is our winter star, and look to the left and you'll see the meteor shower. On the 6th, well, if you happen to be looking just after sunset, you'll see Venus low on the horizon looking toward the west, and if you follow up, you'll see Saturn and Jupiter lined up perfectly. That's a really nice lineup of planets there. Actually, Neptune is located right around here, and we'll see that in a minute. On the 21st, you'll get to see Saturn and Venus almost within a degree of each other, possibly even less than a degree of each other, if you are looking to the west, low on the horizon after sunset. So not too far after sunset, Venus and Saturn. Look at that, right next to each other. Now this is on the 21st. On the 22nd, they'll be even closer. They, in fact, will possibly overlap each other in the sky. Here's Jupiter here once again. So this is right after sunset on the 21st, which also happens to be the day of the new moon, by the way. On the 22nd, well, we've got Mars. Yes, Mars will be very visible all of this month. Probably want to view it around midnight. And it'll be very bright in the sky, perfect viewing for your telescope. Uranus is located just below Mars. If you're looking directly to the west, you'll see Mars, and then look downward, you'll find Uranus right above the horizon. If you can't find Mars, look for Aldebaran, and then look to the right. And if you can't find Aldebaran, well, look for Orion's belt, then look to the right, and then look to the right again, and you'll find Mars. Looking for Uranus, look down to the west, northwest, and you'll see Uranus. Need your telescope for that one. That is on the 22nd near midnight. If you're looking for Neptune, well, it's right here, just below Jupiter. Now you're going to need a telescope for this one because the magnitude is 7.93. This is on the 22nd as well. You're looking to the southwest west. Just below Jupiter, you'll find Neptune. Get out, break out your deep space telescope, and you'll find it. And this is really like an hour or two after sunset. Now there is a comet. Yes, there is a comet that is visible for almost this entire month. The comet was really just discovered back in March. Um, it has a weird name. It's called C, or Comet 2022 E3 ZTF. Yep. So that's what they named it. Don't ask me why they named it that, but that's what they named it. And so this is coming in closer and closer to the solar system, and will be very visible as the month goes on. You'll be able to really see this. Now, this will be in the morning sky. All right, if you happen to be looking in the morning sky toward the east, northeast, anytime from January 1 through the 15th through the 25th, you'll see the comet. It should be between the Little Dipper and the Big Dipper. If you look between the two, you may see a flashing line going across the sky. Now, on the 31st of the month, we have Mercury. Yep. Mercury is visible just above the horizon. Now, this is just after sunset. You'll be able to see Mercury. Now, Mercury is at its greatest western elongation. So it'll be elongated 25 degrees from the sun. So this is the best time to view Mercury, as it will be at its highest point above the horizon in the morning sky. Look for the planet in the eastern skies. So this is the east here. This is directly east. This is the southeast. And if you can't find it for whatever reason peaking above the horizon, look for Altair and then look for Antares and form a triangle, because in between the two is Mercury. So just below them, forming a triangle, you'll find Mercury in the east-southeast. That's at the end of the month on the 31st, just after sunset. Good viewing of Mercury if you're a big Mercury fan. Now, of course, the moon phases. We have a full moon on the 6th. So this will be what is known to the Native Americans as the wolf moon, because this was the time of the year when the hungry wolf packs howled outside of their camps. The moon is also known as the old moon and as the moon after Yule. The third quarter happens on the 14th of January. The new moon is on the 21st. And the first quarter is on the 28th. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe. Tell your friends about it and have them subscribe. Hit the like button. Until next time, bye-bye.